And today I've got a special surprise. But before I start opening the toy, you need to make sure to subscribe to my channel and drop a like on this video. And today I've got the Ninja Kidz figure ball. Woo! And then there's all the Ninja Kidz. I don't even know all their names. So the oldest one's Bryden, and then there's Paxton, Ashton, and Peyton. Pretty cool. So we're supposed to get like figurines of them in there. You already know. I want Peyton. I want her. I don't know why I do. So it looks like you get 2 minifigures and you get a mission card plus the ball as a container. So let's get right into unboxing. So I'm trying a little different angle view thing. So yeah, we can only see my hands, but let's get inside. Also peep the new nails. Open this ball up. These tear strips that are on toys, like some, like I know on the mini brands, they're so hard to tear. Oh great, we got another layer after this one. Bye bye. Where's the tear strip? We're just gonna have to like do that, I guess. What is that? Oh, what is that? I don't know. All right, let's pop it open. Ninja Kidz. I know they have a song or something. Ooh, wow. We got 1, 2, 3 bags. All right, let's move those. And our checklist. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, this is everything you can get. And there's Series 1 and Series 2. We got the Series 2 ball, I believe, because it says Series 2 on it. And it says Ninja Kidz TV. They have a YouTube channel as well. So those are all the characters you can get. And then you can get also a rare Ninja Kid. So let's open up this. Ooh, I love that. You guys see that? It's a little tear strip. All right. Yay! We got Peyton. Ooh, that's a drone. Look at that. Get it? It's so tiny. Oh wow, it's a little mini drone. How cool. And then here is Miss Peyton. Ooh, very pretty. Actually, it's adorable. It looks like she can hold stuff. You can see her hands, and yeah, she's pretty cute actually. Adorable. We're just gonna set her off to the side. We got this. This is our mission card, I believe. So let's hope we don't rip it. Okay, it's right there. Ugh. Here we go. Ooh, mission 22. Stop alien cruel before he destroys the planet. Oh no. There it is. If you guys can see that, that's so cool. We got mission 22. I guess you can get like different ones as well. And our last surprise bag, who did we get? Oh wait, there's one more thing in here. Who did we get? Is this alien or something? Look at that. It came with like a little, looks like a umbrella thing. I don't know, it's a little, oh wait, it's web. I think it's web. I'm a genius. I think it's a web or something. Ooh, pretty cool. Let's look who we got. So, let's see. On here, we got, I think we got Street Squad Peyton. Right there. And Blasterbot. And this is Series 2. So yeah, we didn't get the rare Ninja Kid. It's right there. We did not get that, but I'm happy because we got Peyton. And this super cool robot. That's adorable. So, with this toy, I don't know. It's pretty cute. I like the idea of it. But like, I don't know. It's just not something I would play with. I don't get the idea of the little figures. Unless you're gonna like collect them. I think that's pretty cute. Yeah. But that's it. I rate it like a 4 out of 10. Not bad, not good. So yeah, that's what I rate it. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!